Previously on The Way We Did It, we explored Craters of the Moon National Monument. We are now traveling to the gateway of the Snake River Canyon in Twin Falls, Idaho. After our visit to Craters of the Moon, we headed south to Twin Falls, Idaho, which began with a pretty spectacular entrance. To reach the city of Twin Falls, we first had to drive across the Perrine Bridge. It spans the Snake River Canyon, sitting nearly 500 feet above the river, making it the 8th tallest bridge in the country. And apparently there are people that look at this massive bridge and think, I'm gonna jump off that thing. We later learned the Perrine Bridge is only one of 2 bridges in the US where base jumping is indeed permitted. All right, when in Idaho, get Idaho chips.
All that watching people plummet to their near death has made me hungry. So in the parking lot of the visitor center.
Idaho potato chips.
Pretty fresh.
Yeah.
Hatch. What do you think? Good. Dog approved.
Seems like a pretty popular place to see.
Got a little Super Duty parade in front of us.
Twin Falls is a city of waterfalls. There are over 30 scattered throughout the surrounding area, and Shoshone Falls is its most popular one. Often referred to as the Niagara of the West, it's 212 feet tall and 900 feet wide. The water pours into this beautiful basalt canyon before eventually joining up with the Columbia River. Its allure is guaranteed to attract a very large crowd. But once it was our turn to stand at the tip of the overlook, we got more than just an unobstructed view. We were able to feel the intense, roaring vibration of the water and the cool, misty cloud it was creating. We can't go to Twin Falls, Idaho without seeing the Twin Falls.
We don't know what it's going to look like, but we're going to go check it out. There's nobody here, so it must be pretty spectacular.
Yeah, Shoshone Falls was extremely crowded, very difficult to maneuver through, but we are the only ones here in Twin Falls.
Oh, and it only flows at certain times because it's dammed up by hydroelectric.
Oh.
So maybe
it's not flowing.
Oh, it's flowing.
Oh, it's flowing? All right.
It's big.
Let's go see it. Twin Falls doesn't exactly live up to its name anymore. In the 1930s, hydroelectric power and rural electrification were major priorities. And as a result, a hydropower plant was built in the South Channel and completely blocked it. So today, only one sibling flows into the Snake River, while the other supplies hydroelectric energy to nearby homes and businesses. Just north and below the surface of Twin Falls is the Snake River Plain Aquifer. This underground reservoir has created several natural springs throughout the area, most of which are protected inside Thousand Springs State Park. We managed to visit 3 of its 6 sections, each highlighting a unique geologic perspective. Box Canyon showcases this incredibly clear and very blue pool of spring water that could be easily seen with just a short walk to an overlook. Because the water is filtered through basalt rock, it's extremely pure, indicated by the green water veronica growing in it. Dang, look at that waterfall.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
All from a natural spring.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at how clear that river is.
The natural spring at Ritter Island was one of the more impressive sections of the park. The trail ran beside a crystal clear stream before leading us directly to the base of Lemon Falls. Nestled in a more remote section of the Snake River Canyon was the lush mini oasis of Niagara Springs.
That's insane. Just coming out of the side of the mountain.
Rather than flowing over the cliffs, the water actually originates from a groundwater spring within the cliffs themselves. Now, let's go check out the campground. We were staying at the Twin Falls Jerome KOA, located 15 minutes north of the city of Twin Falls. We booked a pull-through site with full hookups that came with a picnic table and fire pit. Along with the RV sites, there were also cabins and grassy sites for tent camping. The campground's amenities included a dog run, swimming pool, playground, gem mining, game pavilion, mini golf, and an Idaho potato photo op. But what we really loved about this campground was the amount of birds that lived here. Towards the back of the property was a small deck overlooking a pond where we would just sit and listen. And as if our day couldn't get any better, we saw the northern lights that evening from our campsite. Next time on The Way We Did It. We arrived to the final destination of our Idaho journey, the pristine Sawtooth Wilderness. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like this video and click that subscribe button. And if you're interested in more ways to show your support, consider becoming a member of our YouTube channel. Gaining access to behind-the-scenes extras like live updates from the road, Q&A deep dives into our adventures, and sneak peeks of upcoming episodes. It really helps make all of this possible by filling up our gas tank and Hatch's treat jar, and lets us continue to show you the way we did it.